What's up guys, welcome to Venetia at Inspirada by Lennar Homes, and in this video we are going to be touring the Ramsey floor plan, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. And what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Venetia at Inspirada by Lennar. Now, this is a townhouse community, you guys. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're all the way here in Inspirada. So we're about 15 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Inspirada, guys, beautiful master plan communities, has a bunch of amenities, pools, you have walking trails, and much more, guys. Very family friendly over here in this side of town. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 6 different floor plans, okay? All ranging from about 1695 square feet all the way up to 1926 square feet, with the base prices ranging from about $429 all the way up to $455. Now guys, whenever you hear base price, just know it does not include lot premiums and upgrades. Now with Lennar, mostly everything you see is what you get. So, you know, from the base prices with Lennar, I would say you add about $20,000 to $30,000, and that's the total out the door, okay? Here in this community, what they're doing is you can build some lot up, but they do offer a lot of like quick move-ins, spec homes that will be ready in about 2 or 3 months, okay? The HOA here is gonna be $175 a month. That's it, guys. Includes everything, includes all the amenities you have close by, like those trails, the swimming pool. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, welcome to the Ramsey floor plan. Now, the Ramsey floor plan is 1814 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. And the base price is $441,000. Let's take a look. So we got a balcony up there. This door is going to be a 6x7 door, guys. You're also going to get a programmable lock. That's going to be included as well. Now, I do like this floor plan. Just because it's very open right when you walk in. So you'll have your like dining room, kitchen, and your living room, okay? You also do have the 9-foot ceilings up here as well. Now with Lennar, when we go to the model houses, mostly everything you see is what you get, except for the only upgrades that are not included. Like in this model, they have the upgraded quartz. They have the upgraded backsplash as well as the cabinets, okay? Besides that, everything, and the flooring. Besides that, everything, what you see is what you get. And when I say that, I'm talking about like all the the light fixtures, the doors, the doorknobs, and the shower tubs, and all of that. Those are standard, what you're gonna see in here, okay? Oh, definitely very nice and open. So you have like a bunch of can lights right up here. Something that's really nice too, guys, all the appliances in the kitchen are included. So you're gonna get the refrigerator, okay? You're gonna get the microwave, the oven, cooktop, and then you're also gonna get the dishwasher, all right? Cool. This is the included undermount stainless steel sink. Now, this is actually really nice backsplash, but if you want to do something like this is optional, okay? So we have nice 42-inch cabinets. Now the standard cabinets are going to be, you're also going to get 42-inch cabinets, but they're going to be white. So if you want like a different color, it would be an upgrade. But if you ask me, the white's pretty nice. You know, white definitely, you know, makes the kitchen look larger. more spacious. Now guys, as far as the flooring goes, now the included flooring, if you didn't want to upgrade flooring at all, you would have carpet all throughout the home. The only places you wouldn't have carpet would be the wet areas. So that'd be the entryway, the kitchen, laundry room, bathroom, and then you'd have like this linoleum material. Okay. But, I do recommend buyers, if that's in your budget, to just upgrade the flooring and throughout your first floor. Definitely great return on your investment as well. If you ever were to sell your house in the future, not too many buyers like carpet on the first floor. Okay, so we have your thermostat right here. I think this is for your security system. Now this is your powder room downstairs. Okay, this is actually pretty spacious here. You have some room. Okay, everything that you see here, besides the flooring, is standard as far as the pedestal sink, the toilet. This is the door to your garage. It's locked, but as far as the garage goes, when you move in, the garage is going to be unfinished. You will have a tankless water heater. You'll also have a water softener loop. It's already pre-wired if you have an electric vehicle as well. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is going to be your pantry. Nice little hallway path down here. Okay, very interesting. It's a large pantry. And I also like that you have like the modern 5-panel doors. Those are cool. These are standard, guys, as far as the doorknob. You're gonna get that chrome doorknobs. So we'll head upstairs. So as you can see, right over here, you're gonna have really high ceilings. Guys, you'll have texture is gonna be the orange peel texture. You're gonna have the flat corner edging, as well as the paint. You're gonna have the paint color here is gonna be white. It's gonna be the flat finish by Sherwin-Williams. Okay, I believe it is semi-gloss in the wet areas as far as the finish, the paint finish. So let's take a look. All right, so to the left, you're gonna have the bedrooms, full bath, and then you'll have your laundry room over here, and then your primary bedroom over there. Okay, great thing. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor. Oh, this is cool. So this bedroom is gonna have this balcony right here. Okay, so you got your standard closet here. This bedroom is larger than your 10 by 10 room. I'd say this is probably 11 by 12, or maybe like a 10 by 12. Get into it, but yeah, this is the balcony. So pretty good size. Over here to the other bedroom. This one's just similar in size. Very spacious, guys. Probably 11 by 12. Got your transfer grill up there. So we got your sink here. To be honest, I'm not even entirely sure if you could even upgrade another sink right here if you wanted one, but I guess I'm pretty sure you can especially if you're building from lot up, for sure you can. Okay, so this is gonna be your shower tub. Guys, everything that you see here is standard, okay? Except for the cabinets. I think the cabinet colors are upgraded. Okay, so as far as the door casings, this is about like 2.5 inch. The baseboards are going to be like about 3 inch baseboards. Okay, you'll have these nice cabinets up here. 42 inch cabinets. Now, welcome to your laundry room. See, I like that Lennar, when something is not included, especially for appliance, they'll put the sticker on here, so optional. So yeah, you could definitely buy your washer and dryer at the store or with the builder. So yeah, the paint finish here is gonna be semi-gloss, and like out here, you're gonna have the flat finish. This is gonna be the smart panel box. So this is how you hook up your internet router and your modem. Now, I believe Cox Communications will normally leave their equipment here, but just know if you choose to use that, I think they do charge like $14 a month. So I just buy it at the store, so that way instead of charging you. So you have your attic access right up there. Now, welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, so immediately to the right, this is going to be your primary bath. And then to your left, you're going to have your walk-in closet. Some good space in here. It's your bedroom. Very spacious. Good size too. So right here, you're going to have your dual sinks. Okay. Moen faucets. Chrome faucets, walk-in shower, as well as your toilet room. Okay, nice. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community and you want to visit, new build community for your very first time, do me a favor, guys, give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below, or at least let your realtor know so that they come with you on the very first visit. Something you don't want to do is just go to the new build community your very first time with no agent and then give them your information. Or even if you call in and you just give them your information, once they have you in the system, they won't let you be represented down the road. And you definitely want representations, because the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. Us agents, we do have a fiduciary relationship with you guys. So that means we look after your best interests. We negotiate for you. We make sure we max out all the builder incentives. And we walk you through the process. So, definitely a win-win for you. And the builders actually pay the agent fees. So yeah, win-win for sure. Cool. So we got this balcony. Okay, look at that. So it looks like you can put some chairs out there. You can hang out, read a book, drink your coffee. Yeah, that's about it for this floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions at all, or regarding builder incentives, guys, give me a call. Love to help you out. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.